Hey everyone. So today in this tutorial, we're going to be talking about how to set up your dashboard to be able to view your messages, and then also to set up another dashboard widget to look at specific messages within your inbox. So when you open PS Suite, you're going to have this menu that's going to pop open. And in the bottom left corner, we're going to click on Dashboard. Then at the bottom of Dashboard here, you will have this plus sign with the arrow. You're just going to click on that. And at the bottom left corner, we'll have message summary and message subject summary. And those are the two that we're going to be focusing on today. So when we click on message summary, this will bring up a window or a widget that has different messages that are within our inbox. And this can fill up pretty quickly with different types of messages. So for example, we have two review note messages. So we can open that up just by double clicking. And in here, our inbox will open and it'll show us specifically those messages that we just opened up. So we double clicked on review note and it opened up our inbox, highlighting those two messages. And in here, we could see which patient they're for and who sent them from us. So I sent this message to myself just for the sake of the tutorial, but you would see here from whoever the sender is, and it would be to yourself, and then the subject of what they want to do, as well as any details that they want added to it. You also have your patient here, and then what date they expect you to review this message by. So you can set your due date on that. So to go to this patient, we could just double click on the note or on the notification, and it'll take us right to that patient's chart so we can review the note that they marked us on. And we'll also have this little notification here that'll come up on your screen that'll just let you know that you need to review your note. And then from there, you can reply, you can forward this note to someone else, or you can archive it or append it, all based on what you want to do with that message. Now, going back to the first window here, just going to exit out of this record window. Sometimes this message summary box gets very overwhelming because of the amount of messages that you're receiving. So if there's specific messages that you're trying to look at on a daily basis, and you want to have your own little area that focuses on those messages, you can set that up by selecting in the bottom left corner here, the message subject summary. So we'll just click on that and you'll get this blank window that comes up. So to set it up, you need to click this little I next to no subject selected, and just click on that and you'll have this window that comes up. So we're just going to click on this drop down here, and here we have a bunch of little message subjects that we can specify. And for this one, I'm going to do review note just to give you an example of what it shows. So we'll just scroll down, look for review note, click on that, and then we're just going to hit OK. And what that does here is you can see now in this window here, we'll now have these messages with our patient name, and it'll narrow down so you're not getting all overwhelmed with all these messages here. So every time you open your PS Suite, as long as you've set this up, this will be popping up every single time you open PS Suites, and you don't have to worry about it again. You can set up as many of these message subject summary widgets as you want. So if you just want to set up another one, you click on message subject summary, it'll open another box. You click the letter I, and let's say we do this one for critical follow-up. Just hit OK, and now you'll have that there too. So you can really break down your messages into these little sections, and it's just a quick way that you can take a look at your messages without having to click through all your options in there. To view these messages, once you have these set up, you can double click on the name, and once again that takes you to the patient chart. And from there, like I mentioned before, you'll have this little window that comes up, and you can choose what to do with it. And it will take you to the message that's marked as the one that needs to be reviewed. So this is the note that we had selected to be reviewed. And we could just click quick archive, reply, forward, or append. If you viewed the message, you can just hit quick archive. That'll just archive the message. And then if we go back to the main window and we hit refresh all, you'll see that updated there. And you'll also see that review note just went down from 2 to 1. All right, that's it for today. Hopefully that helps you guys out.